Hello my friends! Today I will show you how to make this star-shaped crochet snowflake. It's easy and fun to make and uses various basic techniques, so it's great for beginners who want to practice them. Visit my website to see a written pattern for this project or to explore my other snowflake patterns. All of them are available for free. The links are in the description box below. For this tutorial I used DMC cotton yarn with a 2.5mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn with a corresponding hook. To start, you need to make 6 chain stitches and form a loop. You can also use magic ring technique if you are familiar with it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell button to never miss a video. To form a loop with your chain, make a slip stitch in the first chain stitch. I inserted my hook from the back. Now make 1 chain stitch and make 12 single crochet stitches inside the loop. You may need to use your fingers to slide them closer together. To close the round, make a slip stitch in the first stitch of the round. Now chain 5. Skip 1 stitch and make 1 half double crochet in the second one. You may be confused by the stitch that is right next to your chain, but it doesn't count. To make sure that you've got 12, count your stitches all around once again. Now chain 2. Skip 1 and make 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. This is your repeat for this round. At the end of the round you should have 5 half double crochets and your turning chain, which counts as the 6th one. To finish off this round, make a slip stitch into this chain space. Now chain 1 and make 1 half double crochet into the chain space. Now make 1 double crochet, so yarn over and pull through 2 and another 2 loops. Now make 1 treble crochet, so yarn over twice and pull the yarn 2 by 2. Make 3 chain stitches. And now work the mirror image of what you've done already. So start with 1 treble crochet, then make 1 double crochet, and now make 1 half double crochet. To move to the next chain space, make 1 slip stitch into the stitch from the previous row. Repeat this module in all of the chain spaces. 1 half double, 1 double, 1 treble crochet, 3 chains, 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double, and a slip stitch. As you can see, the last slip stitch is the end of this round. Now we need to move to the left, so make 2 slip stitches into the next stitches. Now make another slip stitch, but into the chain space. Chain 3, and make 2 double crochet stitches. Now make 3 chains, and work 1 treble crochet, still in the same chain space. Make 3 chain stitches again, and now 3 double crochet stitches. Now repeat it in each next chain space. So this is your module. 3 double crochets, 3 chains, 1 treble crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochets again. I will meet you at the end of the round. To finish off this round, make a slip stitch in the top stitch of the turning chain, just like I show you here. This is your last round. Start by making 2 slip stitches into these double crochets. Now chain 4 to make a picot. Form a loop and attach it with a slip stitch to its own base. Now work in the chain space. Make 2 single crochet stitches. Now make 1 half double crochet. And now make 1 double crochet. Yarn over and work 1 double crochet in the treble from the previous round. It needs a picot at the top, so chain 4 and close it with a slip stitch at the base. Now mirror what you've done on the other side. So start with 1 double crochet into the chain space. Now make 1 half double crochet. And now make 2 single crochet stitches. Make another picot here. You already know how to do it. Now make 2 slip stitches in the double crochets that you see here. and the third slip stitch right into this chain space. This is your repeatable module. You go like this around each arm of the star. If you want, repeat my instructions for this round or go to my website to follow the written pattern. The links are in the description box below. I will meet you at the end of the round. As you can see, the last slip stitch in between the arms of the star is your final stitch. Your snowflake is now done. It's time to give it a nice blocking and stiffening session so that it's symmetrical and keeps the shape. It's especially important in this project because there are a lot of picots. As you can see, I'm using quite thick cotton yarn, which is not the most flattering for this project, but it works well for the tutorial. Crochet ornaments like this look the best when made with thread and very small crochet hook. This project can be made with any kind of yarn, but remember that the final effect will be very different depending on the type of yarn you choose. You can learn more about yarn types on my website, so I will link the article in the description box below. To see how I block and stiffen my crochet pieces, please see my video or read an article on my website. All the links are in the description box below. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!